Should you wait for the DJI Mavic 3? Well, it depends. In this video, I'm going to give you the most important reasons why you should wait for the DJI Mavic 3. And in addition, I'm also going to give you reasons why you shouldn't wait and instead get the Phantom 4 Pro or the Mavic 2 Pro or the Evo 2 or the Skydio 2. So let's get to it. Now first off, I think DJI's announcement for the Mavic 3 was delayed due to the release of the Skydio 2 and the announcement of the Autel Evo 2. Personally, I think the Evo 2 is DJI's biggest threat right now. So the likely scenario is that DJI is taking more time to make sure that the Mavic 3 is better than its competitors by adding better obstacle avoidance and improving its camera and drone features. Judging by its track record, I don't think DJI is going to release the Mavic 3 until it's better than its competitors. Now, how long is that going to take? I would say at least a few months, so April or May seems realistic. However, if DJI announces the Mavic Air 2 first, then the Mavic 3 could get pushed back until the summer. So now I'm going to give you reasons why you should wait for the Mavic 3. Reason number 1, you're happy with your drone you have right now. Reason number 2, you're only buying one drone this year. Now the Evo 2 is great, but I would still put my money on DJI coming out on top by the end of the year. Reason number 3, you already own a DJI Phantom 4 Pro, or an Inspire 2, or a Matrice 200. Reason number 4, you like using third-party apps like Litchi, which is not compatible with Autel or Skydio drones as of this video. I would like to thank one of my viewers, his name is John, for bringing this to my attention. I do believe we'll eventually see Autel releasing SDK for apps like Litchi. Reason number 5, you want a DJI drone with AirSense or ADS-B, or the ability to see airplanes and helicopters for added safety when flying your drone. Now here are reasons why you should not wait for the Mavic 3. Reason number 1, you need a drone right now, whether it's for a personal project or for a trip you're about to take or for work. Reason number 2, you need a drone for commercial work. Now I would recommend the DJI Phantom 4 Pro, which is now available online, see links below, because it has better image quality than the Mavic 2 Pro. Plus it shoots up to 4K at 60 frames per second and has mechanical shutter, which the Mavic 2 Pro does not. Or you could get the Evo 2, which will give you the option of two great cameras that shoot 6K and 8K. The 8K Evo 2 will be available first and has a half-inch sensor. And for serious professionals, the Matrice 300 is supposed to be announced soon. And then later in the year, we could see the Inspire 3. Reason number 3, you shouldn't wait. You want to shoot 8K. Now the Autel Evo 2 is the only consumer drone on the market right now that shoots 8K. As of this video, the Evo 2 hasn't been released to the public, and here's why. Autel said that there's a bug in the Evo 2 software, so rather than release it now and update the firmware, Autel said they are delaying the Evo 2 until March. Reason number 4, you want a drone with no geofencing. I would recommend the Autel Evo 2 since it has no geofencing, though I would encourage you to follow the laws in your country. Alrighty, I hope that video helped you decide whether to wait for the Mavic 3 or not. If you enjoyed it, please share it with a friend. Also, if you want more details about the best drones and accessories for different budgets, I made a free drone gear guide. You can get that free guide by clicking right over there. I'm Breck Aramella, the Drone Pilot Pro, and remember, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás.